Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to another video in which we're going to be solving yet another problem of solving isosceles triangles. So let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're going to be tackling a problem which has little to no information, but we can actually solve it. So we're given a triangle, let's call it triangle PQO, right? And in triangle PQO, we're being asked to find the length of all the sides. Now, the only information that we're giving is that the angle PQO and the angle POQ are actually going to be congruent because of the symbols we have here. So apart from that, we have nothing else. Now, we do know, because of the isosceles triangle theorem, that whenever we have two congruent sides, right, the opposite angle to those congruent sides are going to be congruent as well. Now, there is something that we call the converse triangle theorem of as an isosceles triangle, in which if we're given the two triangle angles, right, so in this case, we're given that POQ and the angle PQO are congruent. Then we can also deduce that its opposite sides are also going to be congruent. So in this case, we know that PO is going to be congruent to PQ. Because of that, we know that the measurement of PO is equal to the measurement of PQ. So PO is going to be 8x plus 19, and that is going to be equal to PQ, which is 4x plus 59. And let's solve for x. So 8x minus 4x is going to be equal to 59 minus 19. So here we have 4x is equal to 0, and then that's 4. So that means that x is going to be 40 divided by 4, which is going to be a value of 10. Now that we have found that the value of x is equal to 10, we can find the lengths of all the sides by just substituting. Okay, so PO is going to be 8 times 10 plus 19. So that's going to be 80 plus 19, which is going to give us 99 units. Now let's find PQ. If we did it properly, remember that PQ and PO have the same measurement. So let's see if we get that same answer. So 4 times 10 plus 59. Now 4 times 10 is equal to 40, and plus 59 is going to give us 99 indeed. So that means that we did a really good job when calculating the value of x. Now for last but not least, when we're asked what is the measurement of QO, right? We're going to see that that is 2 times x plus 11. So that is going to be a measurement of 20 plus 11, which is going to be a measurement of 31. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So we basically used the converse of the isosceles triangle theorem to find that the lengths of the sides were actually congruent. And then with that, we found x, and we just substituted all the way to get our answers. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!